Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I can present my presentation, the social media social media design and social media brand design with Canva. First time login in Canva, everybody know my channel videos, the create and Canva account, free account and create and social media. Just first time and opening Canva website www.canva.com. Canva website, just what is the using and today's design, the lot of suggest design, my design and suggest. I can the home page loading. Okay. This is the design template, virtual suite, and PDF editor, graphics and chat, video editing, YouTube, video editing, B photo, and business card, T-shirt holding, etc., etc., and social media. Just marketing logo, postal, flyer, birds, and social media. I am click the social media. Just done a social media. Create and social media support and social media. The lot of social media design is Canva. Canva is a very important two type of create design. Number one, mobile apps and other websites. The Canva stick the Canva design. This is the TikTok videos, store reels, and Instagram. A lot of videos, Instagram posts, WhatsApp status, YouTube thumbnail and intro, and etc. Facebook post, Facebook banner. The second, the standard out of social media, a lot of social media provide the design. Canva make create content for social media easy to thought and template for even social media channel during and drop editing and unlimited contain the library full stock and graphic design and video photos models. They create powerful short form videos and during the social media. This is the edit post editing the social media play short on videos and meet and audios and seeing the total social Canva design, Canva template design. Do it all one of place skill and learn Canva, highly Canva, lot of post. Standard impressive, then the Canva shop, Canva, lot of design, the social media, the powerful social media, the world or the top 10 social media, the design as like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, a lot of etc etc. You can search the Google search for how to social media platform, lot, but to a lot of people how to social media post design, social media template design, and etc. etc. design and earn money. This is the online platform. More resource. This is the Twitter, social media video size grant, social media message and plan of post and social media. The 10 social media contain idea and discover more products and newsletter interest and references. The design awesome social media videos and graphics with Canva. I can back to my home page, the design, Canva social media design. Just business, the marketing, business marketing, creator, visual, and the brand management, agent, sales, etc. etc. Same thing, business marketing and education, teach in school and planning and post for free and learn more. I can search Canva homepage. Just social, you can create a design. I can social media template, social media post design, social media post design, social media post, and I can search on Canva search bar. Social media post design template categories. Just hold on. The lot of categories provide. Categories as type of categories: business, social media, education, video. A lot of just social media. I can click social media, and this is the media. Okay. Social media post design template. Lot of social media template. Social media template and lot. The social media template design, a lot of templates, social media strategy, social media post, social media, and a lot of design that provide free Canva users and Pro. The Canva Pro sometimes $15 $10 to $15 monthly. Easy to say that everybody using the social media post design, social media template design, social media ad design. Social media management, I can see just search on Canva display. Canva display and search. I can create just social media design. I can create Instagram, just in a create social media post. Social media attorney, social media create all social media information attorney. I can Instagram. I Instagram post design. Okay. Instagram Reels, Instagram post, Instagram Reel cover, stories videos, Instagram Shorts. Just I can Instagram perfect video design, post design. Social media post design template, very easy, easy. Just hold on, loading page. Just Instagram, the lot of picture Instagram design, model, etc. The free and pro lot of design. I can just free one design just on Instagram. Okay. In Instagram design your template, use lot of color, background color change, photo background color change, a lot of lot of color. Okay. A lot of color, lot of picture. Okay. Lot of picture, you change. Same, you can search and others search a lot of picture and paid and free template style lot of trend template and elements, lot of elements, uses your logo and others style, photos, etc, etc. Okay. CEOs videos, lot of videos, few all advertising and logo draw. So I can design, click design Canva design, lot of design template, provide the Canva free and pro. Your free Canva design, your name, just text, text your name, text handle, recording, upload your another videos, draws and project and apps and Picjabe type of lot of picture, freely picture use this, provide this. So thank you very much, my friend. Very easy and simple post and design. Canva is a very simple and social media post design template. How to use this and very simple. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Best of luck, my friend. Thank you. Best of luck.